Srinivasan and I'm the CEO and founder of Ecotextura. We create proprietary, sustainable and inclusive design PPE as well as compostable fabrics for the medical industry. And we're currently supplying to numerous NHS trusts and organisations across the UK and world. And the concept and work behind Ecotextura started around 2015. And in the company, I take care of the operations and the product research and development. It is an absolute honour to be part of the top 100 manufacturers. I mean, mainly because of the incredible network of knowledgeable and passionate individuals that you can be a part of. The community is filled with people who just love engineering and science, design and manufacturing. And actually also being a founder can be quite lonely sometimes, so it's great to know that there are others in the manufacturing industry who understand your challenges and struggles. I'm also incredibly proud to represent minorities in the industry, being a woman of colour in engineering and in STEM and a female founder. So it's great to be a part of this representation. And whilst it does come with its challenges, I look to give hope to the younger generation that you can pave your way in this big industry and that there is a seat at the table for everyone. I'd like to think it's that I stay true to myself. So before Ecotextura, I actually quit my job in finance as a stockbroker. And before that, I studied mechanical engineering, which I loved. So it was so great to revisit my design and engineering passions when I started Ecotextura and seeing my concept through to completion by giving it the love and the energy and the resources that it deserves. And I love regularly researching about engineering and materials in the industry, which also gives me so much inspiration for my work today and also reassures me that this is the path that is the right one for me right now. I do believe I'm going through one of my biggest challenges now as a company, as we're exploring how to pivot again to make our company post-COVID proof. We've created and supplied gowns and transparent masks that meet the requirements for the market during intense lockdown days of the pandemic, but we need to shift our efforts back to our main purpose of Ecotextura, which was making sustainable PPE of the future. And this requires a lot of out-of-the-box and long-term thinking and analysis of the wider systems that hospitals use. Growing up with a father who is an electrical engineer and seeing him fix up and repair the house, our beds, our broken toys, and watching shows like How It's Made growing up really sparked my interest for this way of life. And always looking at things like a practical puzzle. Like I've seen my dad handle electronic items and seen how the products that he works with adapt and develop over time. And it's just such a great process of refining this, and this is why I wanted to try it. It's how we share information and how we coordinate our projects and our resources in teams, from using the cloud data systems, co-working on documents and mind maps simultaneously, and how we do virtual meetings, and how we create and share our product designs and can have teams working on it across different time zones completely. It's just so much easier to show your suppliers and customers about all the projects and product details instead of sending product designs and emails back and forth. Everything is just so much more efficient. I believe we will become a generation of strong pivoters. Over the pandemic, we have seen so many manufacturing companies use their resources and expertise to manufacture new products that have helped medical staff or patients during testing times. And we've shown that we have the resilience and resourcefulness and creativity to think on our feet for the better good. So I hope this also shines light on how manufacturing companies should think about how their technology and machinery can be used in the medical industry too. Manufacturing manufacturing is such an incredible industry. You can be making and designing cars or prosthetics or working with light and sound, and the possibilities are endless. So there's so much to explore. So keep asking questions, keep asking to visit factories and facilities and absorb like a sponge. You'll increase your luck and your opportunities this way.